Hello everyone, this is Team 5 and our project title is Automated Cradle Swinging System. Here are our teammates. He is Surya Teja, the team leader of our project, and this is Srivalli. She is the resource manager, and I am Gunawardhan. I am the project manager, and she is Usha Chandana. She is the budget analyst, and these are Shoaib and Vivek Kumar. They are model designers of the project.
Hello, this is Surya and this is our project. Our project title is Automatic Cradle Swinging System. Our main objective is to that in nowadays we have seen that in many developing countries, many of the females are involving in the works and the jobs, so that the baby care was become quite difficult for them. So that to overcome that problem, we have designed this project. So that we have designed the system automatically, so that whenever it detects the baby cry sound, automatically it give inputs to the microcontroller, so that automatically the system enables the cradle to move on the both sides, and this is the main objective and the principle of the project.
In our project, we have used an Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller, as well as we have used a sound sensor. It is used to detect the baby cry sound. And also we have used a servo motor for the movement of back and forth, and used connecting wires for connection, and USB cable for the power supply.
Hello guys, I'm Usha. I'm here to tell about the existing solutions. There is an existing smart cradle in the market, but there is no sound detecting system in that. But in our project, we have the sound sensor which detects the baby cry and make the cradle swing automatically. And the existing solutions are very expensive. But our cradle swinging system comes under 1,000 rupees, and future scope can be, if we can add some music, the baby can be soothing for the baby.
My name is Vivek Reddy. My contribution in this project is I written the source code. In this project, Arduino works on two types of inputs. One input is from sound sensor. When the children cry is detected, and then it works. Otherwise, the parent need to manually switch on.
I am Gunawardhan, and I am here to explain the working model, the working of the project, Automated Cradle Swinging System. And according to the block diagram, there are two inputs that can be given to the swinging system. That is one, the sound sensor, and another, the push button here. And when the sound detects the cry sound of the baby, the cradle will automatically signal the servo motor to rotate it up to more like 20 minutes. And even if we on the manual push button, the cradle will rotate up to 20 minutes. And here is how the cradle swings. So by rotating of the servo motor, the cradle automatically swings.
Our project is cradle swinging system. It is attachable part. It can be attached to any cradle and make the cradle swing automatically. So it will be useful for many of the working women these days. They can on it whenever they want, when they are indulged in household activities and so on.